Writing great content, still not getting ranked on a search engine, or planning to purchase a backlink? I don't think it's required. Hello, how are you? So backlink is a very important tool in search engine optimization. It is required to have maximum number of good backlinks to rank high on a search engine. But are you aware what is exactly a backlink? If you are a new blogger, then I'll tell you. Backlink is a word which has a link into it. Either it's referring to your own site's another blog post or to any other site. This helps in increasing the readability of your content. It gives a reference to something, it gives a user better experience. So backlinks are a very essential tool in search engine optimization. But most of the people are not aware that they have to get good quality backlinks to their website to increase their ranking on search engine, because the higher the domain authority increases, the more chances that you can rank on a first page of a search engine. To increase visibility on the search engine, you need to get more backlinks that are pointing towards your blog or towards your website from other trusted websites. So this will give the search engine that your particular website is a trusted one, and it will definitely increase its ranking. It will start showing it on the search pages more oftenly, more frequently. So to get that, you need to have a do follow backlink. So now I'm going to tell you what is a do follow backlink and what is a no follow backlink. So no follow backlink is when there is another website of a high authority is giving a reference to your website, but it's not giving Google that I trust this website. So basically it's not passing its authority to your website. So in that way it might not help that much your website to increase the domain authority. But as per the search engine algorithms, it is said that yes, no follow links also helps in increasing the visibility. No follow links also pass some kind of authority to your website, which can help in increasing your domain ranking. So a do follow backlink is when suppose a website is with a very high authority and it gives you a do follow backlink. You also get the authority, like that website has given you some part of its authority, and now your ranking will definitely increase with that. So some websites which provide no follow and do follow backlinks, I'll mention now. It is not that tough actually to get a no follow backlink. You can easily generate your no follow backlink. So some of the websites, good websites with high domain authority that you can use to generate a no follow backlink are Facebook. You can share your blog post in groups. Don't overdo it, but you can use it. Then second one is Medium. Medium is an amazing platform. You can share your blog post. You can earn from the Medium partner program. I'll mention in the card above how you can do it from the countries which don't even have the Stripe. Then Quora is an amazing platform to share. It's actually very good to increase your audience as well, but make sure the moderators are very strict of Quora. So just don't post the links and go, rather give a content to it, and then in the end you can post a link. Just don't post a link and run away. Another good source is reddit.com. So far it's called as first page of internet, but the thing is Reddit has quite strict moderators, so make sure that you are interacting more first. Just don't go and put your links and come back, because they will not gonna accept it. They will just put it under a spam box of Reddit, because Reddit moderators are street smart. They can understand a spammer like this. So make sure you add value, you add content, you interact with other redditors, you go into subreddits, and then you can definitely post some of your links. It gives a great backlink, and also people tends to click on your content and you get traffic as well. And the next one you can use is LinkedIn, Twitter. They are also very good websites to provide you no follow backlink. It also increases your visibility, like people tend to follow your blogs, people tend to follow you on the social networking, your link clicks improves. Apart from getting just the backlink, these websites help you to provide a great source of audience. The last website which I'm talking about is one of the most trusted websites in the world, and if you are able to get even a no follow backlink, it is really great achievement. The website is Wikipedia. Yes, Wikipedia is an open platform. It allows you to come sign in edit a particular information, and you can add some information, or you can update an information. Suppose if it's a monument and the ticket prices or the timings have changed, but the old ones are mentioned, you can change them. They will again go to the moderators, they will check it and they will approve it. But just don't go and post, like contribute to one article and post one link again. It doesn't gonna help. They will refuse the entire thing, and if you do it more than 4 to 5 times, they might even suspend your Wikipedia account. That means you are not allowed to edit again. So Wikipedia is a great source, but try to first give a value to the thing rather than just adding a backlink. You can use it to add in the reference sites, you can use it in between, but rather than doing it one content and one backlink, try to make it 5 content with one backlink. So 5 times you contribute on Wikipedia, and in 1 or 2 you just fix it your link. It's a great source to get traffic as well, and you can definitely increase your viewership, you can increase your followers when you put on Wikipedia. And this type of no follow sites also are very trusted, so search engine ranking might increase with such trusted websites giving you a backlink. So these were some of the no follow backlinks. Now I am going to tell you about how you can get a high quality domain authority based do follow backlinks. The first one on this list is Pinterest. Pinterest is an amazing virtual search engine platform. People use it to take inspiration, to purchase anything, to read any blog. It's just an amazing platform. You have to create some pins, you can promote your product, you can promote your blog, you can promote your video. It just gives an... So you can use Pinterest. You can create some of the great graphics, great pins on Canva. I'll mention in the description Canva website. And then you can definitely work on Pinterest and add links to your websites. So when people they see the banner, they usually tap and click it, and then in that way you get even traffic, and Pinterest gives you some part of do follow backlinks. Pinterest has a domain authority of 96, so it's a great platform to increase your individual domain authority. So the next one is Tumblr. Tumblr is also a micro blogging website like Quora or Medium, but the more people on the Tumblr are usually young generation, so they don't read more of that much intense information. They like to go through memes, through gifs, through great images, through some content, poetry, funny content, money making content, like that. So Tumblr is also a great platform. It can generate you a great backlinks, it can generate you a good followership as well. So you can try Tumblr, you can try it for a good domain authority, for a great do follow backlink. The last and the best method to get a do follow backlink is check out the people into your niche who are having great websites, who are having great domain authority. You can do a site audit of their website on Neil Patel's Ubersuggest or SEMrush. You can do the site audit for their website. You can see that how much domain authority they are having. Then you reach out to them and you can tell them that you want to write an article on their website as a guest article, and in return you want a do follow backlink to your website. 90% of people agree to this because they are also getting a great content on their website, and you can also get because their audience, if they like your content, they will definitely click on that and come to your blog, and if they love your blog, they will follow it. So in that way, it's a great way to get a do follow backlink for your specific people. Like suppose for travelers, we have Triptopedia, we have TripAdvisor. These websites provide great do follow backlinks. So apart from that, in other niche as well, there are a lot of them. You can check out them and it works definitely, because I have been doing, and my search engine rankings for my personal blog has increased a great way when I got a lot of do follow backlinks, a lot of no follow backlinks. And it's just that you cannot have any one particular type of backlink to be on the higher side. It should be a mix. If you have a good amount of like 60-40 ratio, you have 60% of do follow and 40% of no follow, it's just amazing. It's just amazing. But even if you have a 40% of do follow and 60% no follow, no problem. Definitely Google's gonna increase your search engine rating and you might get a chance to come on the first page of Google. Keep increasing your backlinks, keep on giving backlinks also to other websites. This way it's a healthy backlink score. So you can get a great domain authority with that. You can increase your domain authority. It doesn't happen in a day. These things take some time, but definitely it's a short tested one by most of the people having great websites. So our last tip before we end up the video, try to not purchase any backlink. Yes, do not try to purchase any backlink, because Google or any other search engines can detect all these things in SP. They can detect them very easily, and they will this thing will not gonna help. Even if you have a lakh backlinks or 2 lakh backlinks, these things, the buying backlinks, they are not gonna help. So try to grow them organically. Take some time. It takes a lot of time, lot of patience. Take it, but grow them organically rather than purchasing from some third party, and suddenly you are just shooting your backlinks to 2 lakh 3 lakh. But in the end, definitely it will not gonna help if you purchase. So grow them organically. Stay growing, stay motivated. So thank you for today. Stay tuned, and in next one I am coming with from one blog how you can earn on 3 different websites.